Whilst we always do our absolute best to keep our crew safe at all times, the sea can be an unforgiving place. During a yacht delivery from Portugal to the UK, things went dreadfully wrong for one of our crew members. At the start of his night watch, with a reasonable swell rolling in from the Atlantic, Gordon fell backwards down the companionway, banging his head on his way down. The other crew were quick to help him, and they put out a mayday call. Gordon was lying in agony for 3 hours, unable to move his head when finally the helicopter arrived. The search and rescue team boarded our yacht and decided that he needed to be evacuated as quickly as possible for treatment at the hospital.
Are you okay? Good.
The fall had caused some internal bleeding. Gordon was in hospital for 2 days, being observed and tested. Gordon was eventually released, having suffered whiplash injuries from the fall. Our skipper, Steve, and the remaining crew, Jake, had taken the yacht into the nearest harbour and were able to help Gordon when he was discharged. We were lucky that the injuries were not more serious and Gordon was able to fly back to the UK.